This is how to get free gems on MTG Arena, especially if your event had a bug in it, or there was something wrong in your draft, or there was just problems on the app. And I've been playing Arena since it came out, and trust me, a lot of these bugs and problems, they still have not fixed since the game literally came out. And I'm not going to gatekeep this information any longer, because hopefully the more of us that submit these tickets, the developers will actually do something about it and fix this broken game. And if you want examples of how the game is bugged or broken, I'll give you examples towards the end of the video, but first I just want to tell you how to actually get your gems back and get free gems if something goes wrong. So you're going to want to go down into the description of this video and copy and paste this URL. It's going to take you to this support page for Arena, but there's very specific steps that you need to follow. Otherwise, you are not going to get your gems back. So first, make sure that you actually go ahead and sign in to your MTG Arena account, and then it'll bring you back to this page. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to choose report a problem in your event. Do not do report a bug or submit feedback. You will not get free gems. So this is the only way to do it, which is report a problem in your event. Then you're going to go ahead and actually write out what happened. And here I can show you a lot of the different problems that you can run into. In this example right here, I'm not able to make a draft pick. You can see that all of the packs are stacking up on me, but I can't see any of the cards. And so I wasn't able to make any of my picks. And in this one, the land got stuck in the middle of my screen and I wasn't able to play the land out of my hand, and it was just frozen right there and I wasn't able to do anything. And then in this one here, I actually got kicked in the middle of my game and sent back to the main menu to search for a new match, even though I was literally in a match. So I ended up losing that game because I got kicked from it. And then in this one here, I wasn't able to declare blockers. Like, I'm trying to click my creature and choose to block their creature, but I'm just not able to block at all. And so I just die to my opponent's attacking. So go ahead and write out whatever you are going to put in as the subject, which is basically what happened. Don't click on any of these things. Then just go down here and write an accurate description of what happened. Very importantly, in your description or in your subject line, you need to say that you lost the game. Otherwise, they are not going to give you any free gems. And then here, you're going to choose your event type. Now, if it's just a regular draft, like quick draft or premier draft, you would choose this. Or if you're actually doing one of the, arena directs or qualifiers, you would choose those. And obviously those are a lot more gems. Choose the platform. For me, most of my problems actually happen on my iPhone whenever I'm playing on the game. And I know this says optional, but it's mandatory. I've tried submitting it without putting my actual username in here, but they will not give you the gems because they're just not going to take you seriously. And then just go ahead and explain how it happened. And most of the time it's just going to be their fault. So you can literally say, be in a game and then get randomly kicked. Here, the more specific you can actually make your time, the more likely they're going to believe you. And most importantly, you do actually need to attach a screenshot of what happened. You don't need a screen recording. Trust me, I've tried screen recording and just an actual screenshot, and the screenshot by itself typically works all on its own. So here, I would just show them that, look, I wasn't able to make any picks. And then once it's done loading, you can just go ahead and click submit, and then this will send it to the support team for review. And then if you go to the email that's associated with your MTG Arena account, you'll actually get to see that there is a ticket filed that the support team is going to work on it. And then you will get a email that looks a lot like this, saying that you will get a refund back of 1,500 gems or whatever it costs for that actual event. And you can see here, I've done it, at least 20 different times. All of these times I'm giving back a draft token or I'm giving back all my gems. So you can clearly see that it definitely works. And 10,000 gold here. And all of these are literally for the exact same issue that has been happening for years now. And they literally have not fixed it, but they just keep giving me the gems back. And this is a great way also to kind of beef up the gen economy that you get, because even if you get a loss in one game, if you're able to win a few more matches, then you get all your gems back, which would be 1,500 plus whatever additional gems you get from winning all those games. So I do hope that you watching this video and sharing it with a friend is actually going to help fix Arena from all of the bugs and how they kind of rig it so you lose the games. And I'm trying to raise awareness here, but also help all of you so that we can actually keep playing more of the games that we love. And for those of you that are doing a lot of limited and drafts and events like qualifiers and things like that, this is going to be super helpful if you run into any types of bugs and problems. So drop a like and subscribe if this was helpful. I post free content just like this to help everyone get better at limited Magic. And if you actually are interested in doing a draft for the very first time, you can watch this video right over here if it's your first time doing a draft as a beginner.